how to get double XP in Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share some tips by which you can double your XP on Duolingo. So usually when a boost is active, the maximum XP you can earn per lesson is 30 XP. That's 10 XP for completing the lesson and 5 XP for full combos bonus, all multiplied by 2. However, if you finish leveling up while the boost is active, you can earn up to 50 XP, 20 XP for completing the level and 5 XP for the combo bonus, again multiplied by 2. But that's not all. Completing a legendary level with an active boost can earn you as much as 90 XP. Plus, whenever you earn a crown, you often receive another XP boost as a reward. And with these simple steps, you can easily double or even more than double your XP. And with this, I hope these tips will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.